So my name is Emil Blondal, and I am a CDO and work in IT. And we're approximately 450 people working in the company. And, and I'm related to IT, so I work closely with IT departments. They're using it for all employees which need to connect remotely, and that is the main case for using. And also we use it for some technical parts. Like a Meraki, we connect it to Duo, it's more or less IT. That's the main case. So my favorite part with Duo is that it's how simple it is. You connect it to email address, to phone number, and you are able to push everything to the client. So, and also to what's the log, and so you get a quick response if it's working or not. So that, and also you are able to see what went wrong on the log during the morning or something, and you can check people out and even push to everyone something if you need to. So it's a lot of things. It benefits my company how easy how simple it is to use this, and the Duo is so easy to maintain and everything, and grows quickly with the number of users you add into it, and even you can add new applications to this if you need this for verification and so on. So, and it's policy in our company you have to have two authentication, and we use this the combination with that. I'm very happy with Duo as it is now, and like it's easy to use it. You connect it to Active Directory or cloud if you are there, and you can add users into certain groups. Then you are implementing Duo to the user. So it is so easy. It's very good to work with it. We did think about the authenticator, which is similar, but this was more easy to implement because we have everything from Cisco, firewalls and things like that. I think it was like 2 days to implement this, so it was not more. But it's, like I mentioned, it's if you connect it to Active Directory, so easy to do this, especially first time, because then you're picking everything up from the Active Directory. I would say 10, because I say it's best to choose Cisco as a partner in this, and I think it's best to choose Duo with it. So 10.